Do you want to know how to make the hair look glossy and shiny? CTclockwises channel will give you just about 1 minute teaching video, so you can just practice right after watching. The first tip is to use skin color to paint over some part of the hair, such as bangs. This will make the hair look transparent and therefore glossy. Second is to block some area for the brightest color in the first place. As you can see in the video, I leave some space with no color and some with light cream color. The blank area will be filled later with blue and yellow to make the hair look more vibrant and colorful. I wouldn't leave it without color as it doesn't look natural and consistent with the rest of the picture. Third is to not be afraid to use really dark color as a shadow to make the upfront part of the hair pops out. And you can also use this color to make the blank space looks brighter by coloring it around the square space that you leave. Fourth is to use white gel pen. This can be used for both some bright hairline, and you can also smudge the gel to create some light reflections as shown in the clip. This technique is also used in my how to draw and paint eyes video, so I would suggest you to see it and it's linked in the YouTube card above. Fifth is to use white color pencil for soft brightness. And that's it for today. If you want more short and concise tips like this, please consider pressing thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. All the equipments are linked in the description below. And more of my personal work can be seen mainly on Instagram, Facebook, and Devanart under the name CTclockwises. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you guys, and I will catch you next time. Bye!